Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you my Atlas Earth app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Atlas Earth is a location-based mobile game. It lets players purchase virtual plots of land that mirror real-world locations once bought using in-game currency called Atlas Bucks. Now, each parcel passively accrues rent in real-world USD, redeemable once you hit a $5 threshold. So now how this works is you can buy land parcels. So you can see on the app here, I can go ahead and purchase land. So if I click onto that, I can choose any parcel of land to buy. So as it states at the top here, select an available plot of land to purchase it, or select a parcel you own to put it up for sale. So if I want to go ahead on this parcel, I'm going to click onto that, and then it'll say buy this land, and it'll give you the price of that land below. So it'll say buy land for 100 Atlas bucks. And then as a landlord, it will pay you rent of 0.11 per second. So your virtual rent can be cashed out, as I said, if you reach $5 or more USD. Now, if you want to go ahead, if you don't have much Atlas bucks, you need to get more, we can go ahead and purchase more Atlas bucks or watch ads. So if we go to shop here, we can go ahead and purchase Atlas bucks here. So I'm in Australia, so this is going to be $7.73 for 100 Atlas bucks, but depending on what location, that's going to change. Or we can watch ads, so we can get 1 Atlas buck per 1 ad we watch. Then you can use those Atlas bucks to purchase parcels of land. Now, if we look down below, we've got these different tabs. So we've got inventory, map, events, and landmarks. So if we click on inventory, we can see all our inventory here, and we can get legendary parcel upgrades from here as well. And also your consumable items are going to be down below. Click onto map. This is going to show you where you're currently at on Atlas Earth. And then if you want to have a look at any upcoming events, click on events tab. Then it'll say all the active events. So we've got a diamond hunt on, so we can find diamonds on the map to have a chance to earn free Atlas bucks, which is quite cool. We could spin the wheel here, see upcoming events like arcade boosts and all these other ones here as well. Now, if we go ahead and look at landmarks, we can see that this is coming soon. So depending when you're watching this, it might be still needs to be released, or it might be released. So as landmarks, so these landmarks pay out for rent per second, just like land parcels, and landmark owners will appear in the landmark tab for maximum visibility. So Atlas Earth is a legitimate app that can pay, but it's better suited to casual entertainment rather than serious investments, I've found. Don't expect to earn significant returns unless you're willing to commit real money, time, and consistent ad watching, and always approach it with caution. Monitor account safety, withdrawal process, and long-term viability before committing.